Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to veetutorials. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning viewers, welcome. Today we'll be looking at a Witcoin app, an app that allows you to mine USDT for free. You don't have to deposit anything, you don't have to make a single investment. So all you just need to do right now is to pick up your phone, make sure you have a network connections, navigate yourself to a Play Store, and let's do this. Download Witcoin. Okay, so all you just need to do, download the Witcoin and sign up. I'm just signing up with the Google. So if we bring you to this place, just touch the Google to show that you have accepted everything. So you reach this side, just click on male and choose a random name. If you are a male, click on male. If you are female, click on female, please, and choose a random name. Okay, so the next thing is to submit. If you submit it, you see something of this nature, the latest mystery reward. You click on OK. Then all you just need to do is to watch this and click on start now. Okay, so you see how it's going to go into spine. For today you get a 10 gold. Okay, if you spine here and you're lucky, you can get the 10 USDT share. Well, it's not that easy. So all you just need to do is click on start now. Cancel this. All these are ads that are popping up. Click on the start to cancel this. Okay, so click on OK. So there are a lot of things that you need to be seen here. You can see this quiz, referral, trade, digging, and wallet. There are lots of things you can be using to make money here. Okay, the moment I click on this, just play now, you can see my wallet currently is 0 at the top right hand side. Okay, you can see my wallet here is 0 right now. So the next thing that you just need to do is just click on play to see what happens. And this place can earn money with that play. There's quiz to earn. There is a leaderboard. There is invitations. There is trade. There is also digging. There are a lot of things that you can use here to make this cool coin. Okay, so as for today, I'm entitled to 500. Let me just play that. Then you click on it. Just hold on. You see, now my wallet has changed to 500 gold. Okay. Okay, this is one of the first step that you can use to earn gold in this place. And those gold, don't forget, they can all be converted to money. They can all be converted to USD. Okay, so this one is just ads that is playing, and once this ads play finish, I still earn money. Okay, all you just need to do is to watch ads again and you earn a lot of gold. If you earn this gold can later be converted to USD, okay, and can be withdrawn to your wallet account. Okay, so just hold on a little, let this ads please finish. You see what my wallet changed to. That's played finish. Then I'm waiting for this place to click on that star to cancel it. It's done. Check my wallet. You see, I'm having 1,132 gold right away. On this, I secured 632. Okay, you can see how simple it is. All this one can later be redeemed as fund. Okay, so as I told you earlier, there are a lot of ways you can make fund here. You can make fund here. So on the what is it called? You can use the referral. You can use the quiz. You can use the ads. As in, you watch the ads and you earn. You see what we just did right now? I just watched the ads and I earn over 600 gold. Okay. So you can do this as well. You can see all this, then click on submit. So it's counting down. Just watch. The moment this is done, we'll secure something. It won't take much time though, but I just want us to do this all bit by bit so that you see exactly what's happening. Okay, we're still waiting for this. We're still waiting. Okay, remaining couple of seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what will be. Okay, extra life. Use one more revival to try again. Okay, so it seems this is going to take my time a little, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'll just skip this. Okay, so let me just watch another ads and see what happens. You can watch ads, you earn money. Okay, there's something I want to make about this ad as well. You're going to see it. It's called Chronicle. Respect. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just click on this star to cancel it. So I'll just click on the star to cancel it. You can see you practice, you earn on this. So there is this what is it called, the referral link. You can share your referral link through the Facebook, WhatsApp, and also your contact, or you can just copy it and paste it anywhere for a lot of people to kind of sign up through you. The moment people use your link to sign up, you gain a lot. Okay, you gain a lot of gold. Okay, let's go to the referral and you see it. You see, you get almost 200,000 gold when someone uses your referral link. So I'm going to drop my referral link beneath this video. Please use it to sign up. You get bonus, I get bonus too. Okay, I'm going to drop my referral link at the descriptive section and also at the comment section. Okay, so don't forget to use it. Right, so there's one thing again, this trading of a thing. You can trade here, you can trade your BNB here, you can trade your BTC, you can trade Doge, ETH, Fuel, Matic, and lots more. Any coin that is here, you can trade it. Okay, you can trade it and earn money, but no, if you don't know how to trade, don't try it. If not, you liquidate your fund. So the next thing here is that you can click on this digging, keep digging and keep earning. Okay, you can see how it's growing up. If you want it to, if you want to make it so quick, you can click on the tab in the fast way. Okay, you can just click on the tab in the fast way and everything will keep crazy. You can see it, you can see it. Okay, you see. So let's just prepare to leave this one for now and talk about the next thing, which is the wallet. On this wallet side, this is where you can withdraw and withdraw your fund. Okay, so how do you withdraw? You need to have a BTC or a USDT wallet. Okay, you can only withdraw through those ones. You can see my gold keep increasing. It keeps increasing. It keeps what? Increasing. Okay, so on the wallet, this is where you can see your total fund, and this is where also you can place your withdrawal order. Okay, the capacity, and you can see here the digging life, the digging shovel. The capacity of the digging shovel is 10,000. Okay, the moment you dig up to that 10,000, I think that one will be over. So this is one of the major app you can run, keep mining and keep earning. Okay, and this earning can be withdrawable. In my next video, I will drop a video on how you can withdraw. This is the spinning. Yeah, you can come to this place as well and keep spinning. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to drop a video on how to withdraw from this very platform, from this very app. We're going to do the withdrawal together and you see how it is. Okay, so thank you so much.